Let us go with the 21st problem. Right here, 4 electronic devices make a beep after every 45 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour 15 minutes and 1 hour 30 minutes respectively. All the devices beep together at 12 noon. At what time will they beep together again? So 12 noon they beeped. Now we are supposed to find at what time they will beep together again. So now let us check out here. 4 electronic device. First device is going to beep every 45 minutes, right? 45 minutes. The second device is going to beep, see, 1 hour 15 minutes. So third is going to be 1 hour 30 minutes and fourth one, right, see, 1 hour. Second one is 1 hour, third one is 1 hour 15 minutes and fourth one is 1 hour 30 minutes. Now we need to convert it into minutes, right? Let us go with this. This is going to be 45 minutes, first one. Second one is 1 hour. 1 hour means what? 60 minutes, right? That is 60 minutes. Third one is 60 plus 15, going to be 75 minutes, right? The fourth one is 60 plus 30, 90 minutes. Now we need to find the LCM for this. That is 45, right? 60, 75 and 90. Find the LCM here. Let me start working on it. So let me go with the 5 9s are, right? 5 12s are, right? 5 15s are, 5 1s are and 8s are. Again go with this, right? So this I can divide, go with 3 3s are, right? 3 4s are, 3 5s are, 3 6s are. So again I'll go with the 3 1s are, 4 I can't divide, 5 3 2s are. So further I go with the 2, so 1, so 2s are 5 and 1. Now so this I'll rewrite, that is going to be 2 into 2, there are 2 2s, right, and 2 3s and 2 5s. Let us go with this multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 and 5 5s are 25. So 9 4s are 36 into 25. Now multiply here. So 25, 6 are 150 directly you can do, or otherwise 5 6 are 30, 0 3 carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 15 plus 3 is 18, 180, right? Next 2 6 are 12, 2 1 carry, 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7, 0 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 0 1 carry, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So 900 minutes. Now we need to convert it into hour, because we need to find out. So it is beeping together at 12 noon. Now at next time when it is going to beep, that is what we need to check out, right? So 900 minutes, that I'll divide by 60, so you are going to get in terms of hour, right? 0 0 will be cancelled, 6, right? 6 1s are 3 15 hour, right? Let us check out now. 12 noon plus 15, right? That is going to be 27. So minus 24, or otherwise what you can do is 12 noon. So I will make it as 12 plus 12 noon. So 12 AM, that is early morning, AM you will go, plus 3, 12 plus 3 15, that is going to be 3 AM, or otherwise see 12, so plus 15, which is going to be 27, minus 24, per 1 day is 24 hours, right? 27 minus 24 is going to be 3, that is 12. It starts from 12 noon, so 12 AM plus 3, that is 3 AM is the answer.